Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Telangana CPGET Mathematics Previous Year Questions 2025. So this topic is based on the linear algebra questions. So the question is that the eigenvalues of the matrix 3 cross 3 matrix, or what are the possible eigenvalues we need to find, what are the eigenvalues of this matrix. Okay, so there are many methods to find the eigenvalues, but whenever these type of questions are coming in the exam, don't try to find the values of the eigenvalues. By using some results directly we can able to find what are the possible eigenvalues of a matrix. Now we will discuss what are the possible ways to find. Because if you find the values of eigenvalues, it will take more time in the exam, but if you use these results, by using the results we can save the time in the exam. So the result is that if the sum of the eigenvalues, suppose if you consider alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 are eigenvalues of a matrix, any matrix, eigenvalues of a matrix, then the result is that sum of the eigenvalues is equal to the trace of a matrix. Suppose if I consider any matrix A, this A, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 are the eigenvalues of the matrix A. So the sum of the eigenvalues is equal to trace of a matrix A. This is the one result. And one more result is that the product of the eigenvalues lambda 1 into lambda 2, lambda 3, which is equal to determinant of a matrix A. These are the important two results. By using this result directly we can able to tell what are the possible eigenvalues of a given matrix. Now we will see what are the possible eigenvalues. So given the matrix, what we had, the matrix is 3 cross 3 matrix 1 6 1 and 1 2 0 0 0 3. So this is the matrix which is 3 cross 3 matrix. So you already know that if it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, how many possible eigenvalues are possible? There are 3 eigenvalues are possible. So that's why we consider lambda 1, lambda 2 and lambda 3. So now what is the trace of the matrix? Trace of a, suppose if I consider this as a matrix A, the trace of a matrix A is the sum of the principal diagonal elements. What are the principal diagonal elements here? 1 2 3. These are the principal diagonal elements. So the sum of the principal diagonal elements are 1 2 3, which is equal to how much? That is 6. What is the property I told here? The sum of the eigenvalues lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3, which is equal to 6. So now the trace of the matrix, the sum of the eigenvalues, we got 6. Now you go to the options and check one option. Which option will give the sum of the eigenvalues? Suppose these 3 are the eigenvalues. The sum of the eigenvalues are how much? If I add this, minus 1, 3 plus 4, which is equal to 6. So this may be an answer. We cannot tell directly. Here they are showing that is the answer, but we need to cross check all other options also. So suppose here we are getting 6. So the first option may be a correct option. We will cross check with second option also. So that is, if I add this minus 1, minus 3 and 4, how much it will be? It is giving 0. So this option is not possible. Similarly, check the third option, that is 1 plus 3 plus 4, which is equal to how much? 8. So this is also not possible because sum of the eigenvalues we got that 6. So here we are getting 8. So that's why third option also not possible. We will discard that. So the fourth option, how much it is? Minus 1, minus 8, minus 4, which is equal to minus 13. So here we are getting minus 13. So this option also not possible. So the option 1 only the correct one. Okay. So this, by using this result we can easily able to find the eigenvalues. Okay. So if you understood that question, try for this one also. Suppose 3 0 0 is there and 0 5 0 and 2 3 and here 6. So what are the eigenvalues of the this matrix? What are the eigenvalues of the values of this matrix? What are the possible eigenvalues of this matrix? Suppose if I consider this as a matrix A, so just tell what are the possible eigenvalues of this matrix in the comment. Thank you.